fact, let me go across to Chirag Naik, who's joining us, an advocate. Chirag Naik, it's very important for us to understand what does the existing law against forced conversion through any kind of coercement or allurement or with the promise of marriage is already banned.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for having me. As we understand today, there are at least 10 states which have an anti-forced conversion law, and I think many states are working towards this. Of course, there are multiple challenges to these laws as is today because the courts are saying that there are certain cases where, right to privacy of individuals has to be balanced. On those grounds, these anti-conversion laws are being tested. But one has to make sure that not only these forced conversions are a very, very serious matter. They obviously have implications of state security and securing the social fabric of the country. But at the same time, we have to balance these laws where the right of privacy and freedom of religion of people who genuinely want to convert is not hampered.
And that gets affected. In fact, do stay on with us. We have a reaction coming in from Nitish Rane as well. Listen into what he has to say.
I welcome the central government stand on the anti-conversion law. It is a need of the hour that a strong anti-conversion law should be brought in the country, and the way the Hindu community has been targeted at large and they have been cheated and their lives have been in danger, had been put into danger because they have been forced to convert into other religions. A strong law will definitely help the Hindu community in the longer run.
Well, of course, the BJP all along has been backing a strong law against conversion. However, one quick question, Chirag Naik, when we spoke to the Home Minister, very categorically Amit Shah had said it's a grey area because there are laws at the state level as well as the central level. So in that case, Chirag Naik, if you can explain to us what stops the centre from bringing in amendments to the existing conversion bill or else to even bring about a new bill to the parliament?
I think, one has to understand that we have a lot of states in this country. Everywhere there are different practices, different forms. And first and foremost, if we are talking about the subject matter of forced conversion, that is a security matter, and local security matters and law and order situations are the prerogative of the state legislature. Right. So that is one thing we have to keep in mind because it's more or less a law and order enforcement issue, and you have to make sure that regular police stations, local police stations who report to the state, they are empowered to take action on the very local level because, the majority of these conversions are happening in smaller cities, wherever there are issues that people are not very literate, they can't reach the police. So I think it has to be a state-driven action plan to curb these abuses for conversion.
Mr. Naik, a couple of very quick questions.